Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop other people from using your original audio in your public Facebook Reels, using the latest update on desktop. If you've ever posted a reel and noticed others reusing your sound without permission, this setting is exactly what you need. It gives you more control over your content and how it's shared across the platform. Let's go step by step. First, open Facebook on your PC using any web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Go ahead and click on Settings to access your full account settings. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different sections. Scroll until you find Reels and click on it. This is where Facebook keeps all the settings related to your Reels content. Inside the Reels settings, look for the option labeled Allow others to use your original audio and remix your future public Reels. This is the setting that controls whether others can reuse your audio. Click on that option and you'll be given a choice. Select Don't Allow. This will prevent anyone from using your original audio in their own Reels going forward. After selecting that option, make sure to click on Save to apply the changes. Without saving, your preference won't be updated, and that's it. From now on, your original audio will stay yours, and others won't be able to remix or reuse it in their public Reels. This is a great way to protect your content, especially if you're creating unique or original sounds. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your other privacy settings as well to stay fully in control of your Facebook experience.